This pandemic COVID-19 has caused many people died. Cases in our country are rising day by day. As a global citizen, we have to unite and follow all the SOPs to come through this pandemic.
Hey, have you seen news today? The COVID-19 cases are getting more and more.
Yeah, it's going crazy.
I think we should really be careful and aware of this disease.
Yeah, let's register for vaccination and help those in need out.
Every day, there are many COVID-19 patients need to be treated by a doctor. A lot of doctors have burned out due to this stressful and extremely busy situation. Doctors' life are also risking since they are in the front line to save people. They stay at work for us, we stay at home for them.
Police officers are also the frontliners. They work all day to make sure there is no citizens trying to go everywhere as they wish during MCO. Their lives are risking too. So, let's stay at home.
Government is trying hard to find a best way to solve the problems faced during this pandemic. They lend a hand to the needy, lock down the country to reduce the spreading of COVID-19, and thinking hard to recover our country's economic. As a citizen of this country, we should cooperate with the government.
We need to follow the SOPs when we go out. Wear a mask, to help prevent the respiratory droplets from reaching others. Keeping a distance of at least 1 meter to help reduce the risk of the coronavirus spreading in the small liquid droplets. Scan a QR code prepared by the shop owner as a record with My Sujata app. The main goal of this app is quick identification of persons who may have come into close contact with anyone who has tested positive for COVID-19. Check your body temperature before you go in a shop. Use hand sanitizer to kill the germs on your hands to prevent the spread of virus. And you're good to go. We are all in this together. You, me and everybody should unite to fight this pandemic COVID-19. Together, we can defeat this COVID-19.